Star anise is inhabitant in the countries China and Vietnam. Today the star anise tree is developed in China and Japan. It is also refined in Laos, the Philippines, Indonesia, and Jamaica. It is developed in 4 provinces in China. It is harvested between March and May. There is an abundance of the spice in 4 main regions. In China, the people chomped the whole dried fruit as a breath freshener, and it was also used for medicinal purposes such as in the treatment of colic, flatulence, and nausea. It was first introduced to Europe in the 17th century, where it was used mostly in baked goods and in the making of fruit jams. The oil, produced by a process they call steam extraction, is used for liqueurs such as Bernard. The anise tree is propagated and needs a lot of water in a well-drained, acid soil to grow well. Even though it takes 5 years to flower, and only starts to bear fruit when it is 6 years old, it can bear fruit till almost 100 years old. The seed pods are harvested first before they ripen and after they are sun-dried. In the Western culture, star anise is used as a flavoring substitute for licorice, gums, cough medicines, and liquors. In China, one of its famous spices are the 5-flavor powder or Chinese 5 spices, which is a combination of cloves, fennel, ginger, licorice root, Sichuan peppercorns, tangerine peel, and star anise. Japanese star anise, which is a quite similar plant, is highly toxic. The spice can also be used to battle the bird flu in many parts of China. As a result, demand increased. It also plays a key role in the slow-cooked dishes that creates Eastern Chinese cuisine. Its flavor increases red-cooked dishes, as well as eggs simmered in black tea. Outside of China, it is shown in several of Vietnam's authentic dishes, such as pho bo soup. It is also the secret ingredient in many Indian stews and curries. In Chinese red cooking, where the ingredients are simmered for a lengthy period in dark soy sauce, star anise is nearly always added to beef and chicken dishes. Chinese stocks and soups contain the spice. Star anise's medicinal use is that it has carminative, stomachic, stimulant and diuretic properties. In the East, it is used to combat colic and rheumatism. It is used in teas as a remedy for rheumatism, and the seeds are sometimes chewed after meals to aid digestion. It is also a common flavoring for medicinal teas and cough mixtures. Teas are beneficial and helps prevent colic in infants. The spice has come into use in the West as a less expensive substitute for anise in baking as well as in liquor production.